Hello again, this is David Britton, and I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about the Google Omnibar. Now this is a really neat feature of Google Chrome that the other browsers don't have. The Google Omnibar basically means it's the address bar, but there are many functions that it is able to accomplish that a normal address bar can't do. So if I click up here and I start typing in, it will automatically take me up to the Omnibar from my home page. And so there are three features that I wanted to show you that could be very useful for educators. The first one is the timer function. If you need to time something, or if you're trying to keep track of something and just happen to have your browser window pulled up, all you have to do is type in timer and say I want a 2-minute timer. So I'll type in timer 2 minutes, hit enter, and lo and behold, a 2-minute timer starts. So it's counting down here. 1 minute 55, 54. By the time you get to the end, we'll just do a 2-second timer. So you can see what exactly happens. So you can hear there's a loud beeper. And the beeper lets you know your time's up. You can of course reset it and try again. But this is a really handy feature, especially if classroom teachers are trying to time something for a test, or if you're trying to time something yourself. Now another feature is the calculations feature. All you have to do to calculate something, we're specifically talking about mathematical calculations, is type it in the Omnibar. So if I want to know what 27 divided by 8 is, I just type in 27/8, 27 divided by 8, and sure enough, it pulls up a calculator with the answer, 3.375. There are other functions you can do too. I could say what's log of 8, and that'll give me the answer, 0.90. Basically any calculator function that you input into this Omnibar, it will calculate for you automatically. That's kind of handy. So the last feature is being able to switch your search engine in this Omnibar. You don't have to use Google necessarily when you're searching. So if there's another search engine that you want to use, you could just type it in. So for example, I could type in Amazon and hit the tab button, and suddenly anything I search for up in this bar is going to be through Amazon.com. So if I wanted to search for pencils, I just type in pencils, and voila, I get lots of different Amazon pencil choices. Same thing if I wanted to search using Bing, I could just type in Bing, hit the tab button, and it's going to search Bing. I could search Bing for puppies, and all of a sudden we've done a search in Bing using the Google Omnibar. So these are some handy features that you could definitely use as you're trying to increase your productivity.